Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Welcome to GFX Farhan. In this video, I will show you how to composite our logo fire simulation in Adobe After Effects. The compositing process is very necessary, which is also called post-production. Without post-production, you cannot achieve a realistic look or desirable look. First of all, open Adobe After Effects, and in Adobe After Effects create a new composition and then click here, which is called project setting. You can also open it here, project setting. In the color tab, make sure check 32-bit per channel float and workspace select to sRGB and linearize working space also check. This is necessary. Then import your EXR files, and here right click and enter per footage main and change it to the frame rate. I render it in 24 frame per second, so I change it to 24 frame per second, and make sure also assign profile sRGB, then drag and drop it here. Now this is my render look in Houdini. Now I render it in EXR, so I duplicate it and name it camera 1 fire and camera 1 background. So this is my fire and this is my background. Then I apply extractor. This is my extractor, and in extractor I change it to combine emission. Now this is my combine emission, the fire only and the lighting. This is my background. This is combined diffuse. This is only background. Okay, then on the background I apply a exposure effect and down the exposure little bit, and in the fire I apply exposure effect and apply minus 0.2. Then I apply a curve effect and bring down the only highlights, one key point here and one here. Then I apply the second curve and bring it little bit more to bring some details. Then I apply a hue and saturation effect and decrease the saturation to minus 35. Then I apply a glow effect. In the glow, in first glow, my threshold is 15%, glow radius is 180, and glow intensity is 0.2, and glow operation to screen. By default, it is add, but I change it to screen, and here I change it to A and B color, and color looping to AB, and in color A I add yellow, and in color B I add orange. This is my first glow. Then I duplicate the glow, and in this my threshold is 20, radius is 400, and intensity is 0.3. Then again I apply a glow number 3, duplicating it. Now in this glow my threshold is 70% and glow radius is 80 and intensity is 0.5. Then I apply another curve, and in this curve I bring down the blue color down and red up, and in green add some curve, and also increase the little bit of RGB. This is red, this is blue, this is green, and this is RGB. And then I change normal to screen. So now it's look amazing. Then I copy this setting and apply on camera 2 and camera number 3, and at the end I add a optical flare. This is optional, I add this for beauty purpose. And the last I add a adjustment. This is adjustment layer and this is also an adjustment layer. And on this adjustment layer I add a geometry color, and in the geometry color creative tab I add a look of SL blue eyes and with the intensity of 30%. So this is my final look. So thanks for watching. Our video is completed. See you in another cool and amazing video. Goodbye.